Hi, I'm Hiba from Habitat Media Department. We've heard about the fantastic initiative you've started, sharing students' pictures with their parents. We also become aware that you might need some help from our side in delivering high-quality content to the parents. That's fine. We are here to support you. But before we delve into that, let me ask you something. Do you really think that sharing these pictures will make some difference? Well, let's have a look at Miss Farshana. Let me introduce you to Miss Farshana, a parent with a child in KG1. She's like any other parent, receiving regular updates, circulars and academic details through messages. It had become routine, even mundane. Sometimes she'd forget to check the messages even. But then something changed. A child's class teacher started sending photos along with the updates. Suddenly, everything was different. Miss Farshana eagerly awaited for each new update. She started appreciating it, and it added an entirely new dimension to the teacher-parent relationship. Now, I must clarify. Farshana's story isn't just a story. It's a powerful example of how something as simple as sharing pictures can create a personal rapport between teachers and parents. So let's not underestimate the impact of what we are doing here. Now, let's get to the technical aspects. When it comes to the types of photos we are capturing, we've got two options. Whether it's individual shots, group shots, or activities, or even moments of learning, we've got two styles to choose from, post or candid. In post photos, we have the luxury of time. We can plan and prepare meticulously, ensuring everything looks just right. It's all about creating the perfect moment. But then, there's the magic of candid shots. With these, it's all about timing and spontaneity. Be prepared to capture beauty anywhere, anytime. Those unscripted, heartfelt moments make photos truly special. Whether the photos are posed or candid, these are the things we must be careful about. Focus and composition. Pay attention to what you want to focus. Compose the shot so that the subject is well framed and the background enhances the overall image. Tap on the child's face on your phone screen to set the focus point. This ensures their face is sharp and well defined. Background. Choose a clean and uncluttered background that doesn't distract from the child. A simple background will make the subject stand out. Angle. Get down to the child's eye level for a more engaging and personal perspective. Avoid shooting from too high or too low. Make sure to stay close to the child when taking pictures and refrain from capturing photos from a distant perspective. Lighting. Good lighting is crucial for any photo. Natural light is often the best option. Avoid harsh shadows or direct sunlight on your subject's face, as this can lead to overexposure or underexposure. Portrait mode. If your phone has a portrait mode or depth of field effect, use it to create a pleasing background blur that makes the child pop. Stability. Keep your phone steady to avoid shaky shots. Use both hands to hold the phone. Use a tripod or brace your arms against a stable surface if needed. Use burst mode. Most smartphones have a burst mode feature. This allows you to take a series of rapid shots with a single press of the shutter button, increasing the chances of capturing the perfect candid moment in a dynamic situation. Timing. Be patient and wait for the right moment when the child is relaxed and has a genuine smile or expression. Avoid using flash. Whenever possible, avoid using the phone's built-in flash. It can create harsh, unnatural lighting and may startle your subjects ruining the candid moment. Silent mode. Turn off your camera sounds or notifications that might disrupt the moment or alert your subjects to your presence. Most importantly, considering all the points mentioned, ensure that you clean your camera lens before capturing photos. Additionally, be mindful not to obstruct the camera lens with your fingers, whether it's fully or partially. As observers of the classroom, we have the privilege in witnessing these beautiful moments that the parents may not always see. Let's embrace our role as these bearers and work to ensure that these memories last forever. Let's share happiness.